Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make this 3D watermelon prop for my baby boy's birthday. So you're going to be needing 3 circles of different sizes. The green is going to be the bigger one, the white or cream will be the next bigger one, and the red is going to be the small one. So you're going to take a gum of choice and attach all circles together the way I'm going to be doing as shown in the video. If this is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Jane Earl, a mom of 3, 2. Oh my god, did I just say 3? Is that a sign? By the way, so I create content on lifestyle, natural hair, and DIY craft. If that's your cup of tea, kindly join the family by subscribing to my channel. To my returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you so much for giving me your watch time. I love you. God bless you. And so you're gonna join everything together like this.
Feels like love.
So when you're done, you fold the circle in half. Make sure everything is half, and you press it down. You press the middle down to get that crease, like how you cut a watermelon. Now you guys know, you press everything just like you see me do. And as you can see, it's already forming like a watermelon, but the watermelon without seeds. So to get the seeds, you use your marker and you just apply the seeds like you see me do. You can actually leave this 3D letter like this, or you can decide to cover the back side. So in covering the back side, all you have to do is use another card and just gum it behind. And that is all. Your 3D letter props are ready for use. And I'm gonna show you guys how I use this in my baby's birthday party. That video is gonna come up very soon. I'm just so busy with work that I can't edit so much, but I'm trying my best, guys. Thank you so much for all of you who keep watching and sharing. I really do appreciate you. God bless you guys.
Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know this love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it gently in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
And there you have it. Your 3D watermelon prop is ready for use. Alright guys, so see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for sticking around. God bless you. Have a great week and I love you.